In the animal world, there is an interesting thing that we often do not think about, which is hierarchy, also known as rank in animal society. Just like in human society, animals also have rules, roles, and complex relationships between species. Today, we will explore the top 10 animals in this hierarchy. Let's start this interesting journey of discovery with me. At the top of the list, we cannot help but mention the lion. Lions are known as the king of all beasts, not only because of their strength but also because of the way they organize society. Lions live in prides, and in each pride, there is a dominant male, usually the largest and strongest. He is responsible for protecting the pride from enemies, and is also the leader in choosing a mate. Females in the pride often have close relationships with each other. They take care of and raise their children together, creating a close-knit family. Next are wolves. Wolves also live in packs and have a very clear social structure. In a pack, there is a pair of alpha wolves, usually the strongest male and female. They lead the pack to hunt, find food, and protect the territory. Interestingly, wolves are very loyal to each other, and the pack often has a strong bond, like a big family. If you have ever heard a wolf howl at night, that is how they communicate and strengthen the bond within the pack. Equally interesting are monkeys. Monkeys live in complex social groups, with diverse relationships between individuals. In a group of monkeys, there can be alpha males, but there are also those who do not have a high position. They often compete for power and position in the group. This creates fights, but also has funny moments when the monkeys show off their intelligence and ingenuity. Monkeys are also very caring for each other, and they often engage in friendly actions, such as grooming each other, which not only helps maintain hygiene but also strengthens social relationships. We cannot forget whales. Whales are one of the most intelligent animals on the planet. They live in groups and have very complex social structures. In a group of whales, there are usually leaders, and they can communicate with each other through complex sounds. Female whales often play an important role in raising their young, while male whales can engage in battles for control of the group. The intelligence and communication skills of whales make them one of the most fascinating animals to study. When it comes to mammals, we cannot forget elephants. Elephants live in groups and have a very tight social structure. In a group of elephants, there is usually an older female, called a mother, who leads the group. The mother is responsible for leading the herd to find food and water, and protecting herd members from threats. Elephants are very intelligent and can communicate with each other through sounds and actions. They also show grief when losing a member of the herd, showing a deep bond between individuals. We cannot ignore birds, especially crows. Crows are known to be one of the most intelligent birds. They live in social groups and have complex relationships. Crows often help each other in finding food and defending their territory. Interestingly, crows have the ability to learn and solve problems, and they can use tools to achieve their goals. The intelligence and communication skills of crows make them one of the remarkable birds in the animal hierarchy. When it comes to aquatic animals, sharks are also one of the interesting ones. Although sharks are often considered solitary predators, they do have certain social structures. Some shark species live in groups, and within groups, there may be leaders. They can communicate with each other through body signals and sounds. This shows that even notorious predators like sharks have certain social relationships. We cannot forget to mention ants, one of the insects with the most complex social organization. In an ant colony, there is a queen ant, who is the only female who reproduces. The worker ants are responsible for finding food, caring for their offspring, and defending the nest. Ants are able to communicate through pheromones, which helps them coordinate their actions and create a very effective society. The organization and teamwork of ants is one of the wonders of the animal world. Finally, we cannot forget to mention bees. Bees also have a very clear social hierarchy. In a beehive, there is a queen bee, who is the only reproductive female. Worker bees are responsible for finding food, caring for their offspring, and protecting the hive. Bees communicate with each other through dances and pheromones, which help them coordinate their actions and create a very effective society. The organization and teamwork of bees is one of the wonders of the animal world. Thus, from lions, wolves, monkeys, whales, elephants, crows, sharks, ants to bees, we see that the animal world is very rich and diverse. Each species has its own rules and social structures, creating a vivid picture of life on this planet. Hopefully, through this journey, you have gained more interesting insights into the hierarchy in the animal world. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.